Okay, I think we're ready to go for today. It's been quite a while. I've noticed that when I change the dates in this settings or something. So anyway, let's do a little bit of branch work here. So first, let's get up to date. Merge this. Writing. Okay, it's annoying. Hey guys, Alfium, and I'm gonna say Merc. How you doing? Okay, so I should be up to date. And I actually don't remember anything about what I should be doing. I don't think we have anything in tasks. You're doing good. How about me? Not great. I was sick like a few days, as in like knocked down sick. But yeah, it's better now. My head's fine. I'm just scared of like having an entire month of bronchitis again. But that will be the RNG stuff. And you say Marco Q is fine, great. And Yuri's here as well. How you doing, Yuri? You're back in business in gamedev. So you say that sucks. Like you're feeling better, right? You know, we're not even close to, well, we are close to the 1 year frame for this channel, which is the 1st of March. And this is legit the 3rd time it happens since then. 2 months of bronchitis this year. But yeah, I'm pretty much used to this. I'm doing that several times every year since I'm like 10 or 12. So Alfium has his wisdom teeth appearing at the same time, 3 of them. Like, do they grow out of the gums? I don't know, I got mine removed like a very long time ago because allegedly they were too big. So by the way, Alfium, you will have to remind me what's on the desk these days. Can't even eat? Oh, that's cool. What is it? It's this one. I see what you mean. I've had my share of teeth things. We have to make the same procedures as we have in crafting. Yeah. Do I understand what you're saying here? Panel. Let's see. Okay. Nice to meet you, Cube. We have to make the same procedure as we have in crafting. Where? I mean, like, is that it? Is that a thing that mining's broken? It's like... Huh. Oh, okay, so that's normal. Oh, wait. You changed the recipe. You big mean. But I can't mine. Ugh. First thing... Can I actually... Hmm. Put that aside. Not gonna lie. This is kinda confusing. And I honestly don't remember which one is. I think that's... Okay, maybe not. Oh, that was collect on the right. Check out origin master. Did I miss something? Well, why is that? Why do I have this differently? That's very weird. Like, when did I change this? Like, there's no way I changed this. Okay, so maybe Godot is gonna cry. So what if I run it again? Yeah, no, same thing. And I don't even know. I have nothing. Yes, it's different now. I don't know what it does there. But even that, like, I don't even know how your shaders work. Like, I'm legit very confused about that. Like... I'm gonna throw... Oh, wait a second. Because I do know that Godot hates that. I'm gonna throw this to you. Okay, it should be up to date now. You didn't touch those. Yeah, it's just... I don't know, it's like Godot is forcing some changes in there. And I'm not sure I understand what you meant, Yuri, when you said check out Origin Master. Origin Master. Hey, how you doing? Alright, what we're making, Sable? We're basically being confused right now. We're working on the blacksmith game, but somehow the game has a mind on its own. Am I in my branch? Yes. Like, I legit don't understand what those things are doing. And No, it's saved. I don't have anything. Confused already? Yeah, it's like I was away for a few days, and it's like completely. We meant to check that you have the same master state. Yes, it is. It is absolutely. No one staged things like you do. Oh, yeah, that staged thing is like very weird. Because shaders is like something I never touch at all. Okay, so maybe it's a question of. No, that would be weird. No, I was thinking these embed game tests. I don't even know how this background is supposed to display. Like, I'm guessing that this is like a square shader that you have rotating, and then something's masked or something. Well, make sure to take a couple of breaths. You're still new with new experience in Godot, yet love watching people learn, so you will be here cheering. Yes, that's we'll see, man. Those are not shaders though, aren't they? I don't think a dancing square on the right should be there. Oh, it absolutely should. Like, it's what I've worked 1 week to make this. Open button in inspector. It's a crafting. Oh wait, what's the crafting here? Which button? Okay, cool. Well, technically any button's gonna be fine. I don't even know what we're looking for here. Okay, it's a dancing square. Where are you from? I'm French. And right now it's more like the... It's not my French accent, it's my bronchitis accent. I mean, it makes me different. It makes my voice way much more throated, if that makes sense. I mean, at least I do feel it very, very much. So maybe in this button there's something behind it. Yeah, this is inner panel maybe? Frame gradient. Okay, frame gradient. And this... Oh, maybe there's a clip missing? Like, something should be clipping, but it's not. I don't know. I'm kind of guessing. Well, that's a start. That's a start. Brit Irish accent, you said? Your wife's grandpa was from Ireland and have a few friends from Ireland, as well as some accents. Oh, just... So, I don't really know if that would make sense, but I'm definitely French, since my family is in France for a few generations. But my last name is Irish. So, how would you know? I mean, so I heard. I didn't really go to Ireland to check that. There must be a clip plus draw and lights only on frame node. Clip. Okay, draw, I have no idea what it is. Styles. Okay, that's the style of the panel. Visibility. Clip children. Yes, we have this. Clip plus draw. And lights. Okay, you meant it. No, you didn't mean visibility. Materials. Light only? Yes, immaterial, indeed. Okay, very unique. What you feel regardless of name, right? My kids have Final Fantasy names. Don't mean they have to be from fictional fantasy world. Regardless, I love the accent. No, what I mean, if that would make sense, is that you never know what's like. I mean, DNA keeps memory. That's for sure. And there's one thing that we do share in the family, at least from my Irish last name side. We all have very, very great English accents for French people. That is something we share, without any reason, really. Because you could think that I have a great accent because I learned English very, very young, like 6 years before usual, typical time for people. But no, my brother has the same, and he technically never really learned English that much. What the F is that then? I have no idea. So I was thinking maybe it is Godot doing shenanigans. Like could it be a Godot bug? This is off topic, but absolutely loving your tutorials. Well, my videos are never gonna be off topic of the streams of this channel. Reset modulate and buttons container. Button container. Oh, this guy? That would be weird. Okay. Interesting. But yeah, by the way, I'm glad you like it. I really try to make those kind of cool. Off topic from what you guys are talking about right now. I mean, yeah, that's what streams are, right? We talk about a lot of things at the same time. No. I didn't mean that the stream is off topic. I just mean that talking about the videos or commenting on something within those streams is like always welcome. Like, it's always great to hear that people have good time enjoying the tutorials. Do buttons have themes? Yes, I think so. Right now I feel like I've broken so many things that I just want to discard. Because honestly, it could be just Godot, right? Yeah, you'll have to check out the tutorials. Plus, God recommended you to watching Godot streams lately. Oh, cool. Right now it's a little bit messy, but people still enjoy them, so that's right, that's correct. Mostly having idle game tutorials. Everything's fun for you. Yes, that's the thing. Like, if it works on your side, there's no reason it should not work here. But I honestly don't understand how this gradient is supposed to show. Like, is it like supposed to have like a kind of... I mean, I can't remember what it looked like. Okay, wait a second. Okay. When is the last time we did that? Okay, so I might be... Okay, no, that's correct. Okay, time XP, multiplied by 2. Okay, we're not gonna see. Alright, so this is the bottom, right? No, that's not. Okay, there it is. So it looks like it is a gradient that only shows in the white pixel of this. So, oh yeah, that was when I discovered make an auto battler. Maybe reload Godot. Wait, there's just so much I missed. Mr. Fragment says, hello again, just joined the Discord, forgot to do it last week. Well, welcome. Hope you will enjoy the community there. Yeah, you hands down the best at explaining things. I'm trying to do that. Like, as I said in my last podcast about tutorials, I'm trying to bring in something that most people don't care to bring, which is like extra explanations and make sure that everything I say makes sense. So yeah, maybe reload Godot. That would be a good first step. Or reparent gradients. Gradient for border. Like this thing. The thing is that I already closed Godot once, so technically reloading Godot is something we did. Hey, you know what? I may have an idea. Look at this. Not recipe. Craft recipe here. Look at this. Look how amazing this is. Isn't that perfect? Like, hey, it works. So I will probably just hide this for, I don't know. Because that's not really... I just removed the gradient, basically. I hid the gradient. So... Okay. I think that's what I will be doing right now. I will just... cancel everything I did, because technically it's a I don't know problem. So we will be stretching and hiding those gradients at the moment. Wait a second. No, that's not related. But why does it have to happen today? Like, literally today. Oh, I forgot to put the music in the description, I think. I'll do that very quickly. Let's do that this way. I think it's... Am I scratching me? No, that's fine. Yeah, that's a little bit confusing. Wait a second. I just do it like this. Wow, that's a little bit... Anyway. Okay, let's Control F gradient. No, that's not gradient that we're using. Sable, is this game an original idea or are you following a tutorial for it? Basically, it is a game that No Vision On Me designed. He does the game design and the UI and stuff, and I do the programming part. Like, everything that's visual, I didn't do, basically. I don't think that's super important. But maybe it could be, I could be a Godot 4.4 error. I don't know. You did those cubes? Yes, my Godot did those cubes. And honestly, I think there's something here. There's something to keep. GUI, let's see, prevent tooltip from showing. Signals, color picker. Okay, so from just brushing the text, I don't think we are missing something important. Okay, so you both are working on it. Yes, that's exactly it. That's why I'm so often referring to him. Beautiful work to both of you. Yeah, thank you. Maybe one day our bother try to do something on Inkscape. Well, technically, I don't even need to hide the squares. Like, I know what the buttons do. You have better 2. Yours isn't better 1. Yeah, but I don't think it's that important, is it? Wait a second. Like, wouldn't mean that better 2 broke something? I don't think I can revert back to beta 1. So anyway, you said something. Okay, let me scroll back. We have to make the same panel as we have in crafting. Okay, what panel we have in crafting? Do you mean that? Wait a second. What if I lock the recipes? Wait, that one has... I think we can do it like this. Oh wait, I forgot to scroll the chat. How is that level 3? Like, is this showing the level? Or is it just... Yeah, correct. So here, there's a problem. I thought I just locked. Indicates, yes. Well, I kind of want to reset my save, but at the same time, we can't mine, so... So, well, let's do it anyway. That's kind of a problem, is it? Will you look at that? So that's not normal. It's like it's supposed to work. Wait, seems like... Okay, so that's just... This button doesn't work. Some reasons. So imagine you're supposed to click a square and then it gives you the resource. Which resource? Yes, this is working fine. What is upgrade 1? We have an upgrade and I don't even remember what it does. Like the stones. Well, the mining is supposed to... Wait, I just unlocked... Right? Are you saving? Yes. It should craft a sword. Yes, but nothing is there. Okay, so why is mining empty? Is it what you wanted me to do? Like, I'm kind of scattered. Okay. Wait, why is this hidden? Did you make a list or anything? Changing... Okay, maybe I missed this one. Okay, when did I stop reading? Add vein HP property? No, I think this one we did. Yes, we did that already. Slightly lost. Because here I don't understand why. But everything we had here is not showing anymore. Navigation reserve. Okay, so that's not how you do it. So that's fine, but basically this should be higher in the hierarchy. You sent a screenshot in discussion. Did you? Well, that must be old. I feel like I'm scrolling way too much. But right now I'm seeing my vineyard. So here's the cat. Some low poly stuff. Salad. Alright. There's art in sprites and UI, but there's no art in-game. Also, there's a component, mining vein, and container for them. Okay. Okay, I was muted. Yes, that was the... That's the risk when I have to mute every time I cough. So yeah, basically the question I was asking is there... I mean, I was questioning the inconsistency you have in the namings of the nodes, as in you use different case system. So I don't know if there's any reason for that, or if you just don't like the Godot native uppercase thing. So, first thing... Oh no, not the superior equals. Just sometimes, like for example, you have things like which are like this. You have this. Sometimes you have this. I mean, it's very random. Okay. I'm just wondering if you just don't really care about that in general and have it random. Because that's what happens, right? Sometimes like people don't care about some stuff and I think I'll try a new system for the inject data to use ready function. Because we have Olvane, right? So we have a name, a texture. Oh yeah, by the way, there's something that's a little bit odd. This progress bar here and this mining button here. So does that mean that you're supposed to mine different veins at the same time? You're trying to care, but sometimes you do things fast and forgot what template you use. Okay. I guess that when you're like more accustomed to programming in general, you know how to keep track better of those case systems. Maybe in the future, okay. So anyway. Let's not kind of initialize nodes, if that makes sense. There's something like if all vein. Maybe if not all vein. This checks for null, right? Anyway, should not be null. Okay, so we can texture. So we have the texture selected. Oh my god, again. This is very annoying. But it's just 3 days. Texture name. So here we have a label. Okay, so let's just use those two values yet. And bring those in. So the packed scene, we're gonna load this thing instead. Put all vein in everything, which is now and all. Okay, that's another example of inconsistency, but on my side. Node inject data. Okay, so what if we do that? Cool. Kind of sexy. What about this though? What about this? Should I hide it? Yes, but now we have kind of... I must have a minimum size or something? Turn off all thing. Yes, but this is turning this off as well. Yeah, and the problem is that it is also the parent for the new thing. The container is upper. Yes, the container is upper, but veins is within the margin container here. So maybe that's a problem on its own. What is that? Oh, you made another one. Okay. Never mind. What about now? Oh, okay. Alright, that makes a little bit more sense. Oh, and that's the output. Yeah, except that the game can handle different outputs at the moment. Progress bar as well, yeah. Didn't know it. Well, most of the time, when you design something for one entity, it's just right there, we have one output, and you want to multiply it, it means that it doesn't work this way. So same for, well, progress bars, that's slightly different. The thing is that we have a lot of scripts in there which have to move basically in the components, I think. This means that we have to watch the mining thing. Like mining. Started, stopped. Is mining. Yes. So these are actually pretty standard. The set vein is kinda obsolete now. Hi, Myriad Colors. You're asking, is this another idle game? It depends. What is your last idle game you're thinking about? The one from the tutorial, so the crystal one. The crystal one I didn't touch for a while yet. So this is a project that I'm doing with one of the viewers of the channel, which is in the chat right now. That's no vision on me. It is a crafting game. Blacksmith crafting. Oh, the status one. Oh, damn. Yes, this one's like... Oh. I didn't touch status for a very long time. Like, since I worked on Stardust, like, I've moved once. Got sick twice. A lot happened since Stardust. But yeah, it's definitely gone now, I think. I don't know if I officially stopped it. I think I said that. I think I said somewhere that it would be stopped. But then I added a little bit of content afterward due to people asking for stuff in there. I honestly don't even know if I have the project anymore. Oh yes, it's still here. Well, it's still alive. That's one thing. You've been working on that tutorial and you've learned a lot about Godot? Well, that's cool. That's pretty much what I was aiming for. So if you did, that's very great. The thing is that I've learned as much as people are learning in the series, if that makes sense. So right now this tutorial to me seems very obsolete. But at the same time, it's still very valuable because when I did it, I was still a beginner in Godot somehow, so I was approaching things with a very beginner-oriented aspect, which people really like about it. So you say, I only did game dev using Raylib, never did game engine stuff. I actually don't know what Raylib is, so there we go. Okay, Alfian, so where do we do with crafting at this moment? We must have single ore containers, right? I don't really understand the question, since the two things you're asking are completely separate. Raylib is a game development framework. It's a wrapper around OpenGL. It's pretty cool. Well, not gonna lie, I don't really see the difference between a framework and an engine, but yeah. of course. Okay. It's like Pygame, but more advanced. Okay, so I learned. I don't learned Pygame, but I heard about it a little bit, but never really tried it. Like, I thought it was very confusing, but that was a very long time ago. I was very young. So yeah, Alfiam, you will have to specify the question a little bit more because I don't understand what you're asking. What do we do about crafting? Like, crafting's fine. I mean, I think it is. Maybe I'm missing something, but I don't think so. Oh yeah, I said I would stop doing that. Makes use of tabs, and there we go. Okay, so we have the two buttons connected. So it's probably kind of weird, but I think we can try to have like mining and set the vein to O vein, and then mining, toggle mining. But that's too bad. You're questioning if we get rid of different pro containers or not. No, basically, okay. We have two containers right now. We have the mining container, which has what you haven't collected in the mining but was mined. And then you have the inventory container, which is what the crafting uses to craft. But the thing is that with the new system, we need more than one mining containers. But the inventory container stays the same and it's not affected by having plural mining containers. Okay, so I think we have to scrap most of this script here. So that would be like toggle mining. Is there a way to handle more than one container in mining? Of course there's. So I kind of think that toggle has to be different. And toggle has to take an ovane. I think that's pretty much how I'm gonna approach this in general. Most entry points will have an ovane as a oh, okay. So yeah, I was reading the things. So yeah, so I was saying, when you say click a tutorial, I don't know which one you're talking about because there's basically 3. All I can say is that the starter series in general, people tend to like this one best. And either reboot is... People think either reboot is way too complicated, way too hard. Crystal I think is kind of in between, but... yeah, I don't know. Coding is quite personal. That's the weird part. At the same time, it's personal, but if you want to work on big projects, you can't do it personally. That makes sense. You have to create structures that work for everyone. Which one of the series is the simplest to follow? It is questions I have a lot of difficulties to answer, but from the feedbacks, I do think it is Stardust. I do think it is Stardust. But the thing is that I really hate Stardust today because there are a lot of things which could be better in this series. And yet, this is the most popular one. I don't really know why it's more popular than the others, but, well. You mean the structure of the code is personal, everyone does it differently? Well, it feels like it because you... I don't want to be mean, but it feels like it because there's no structure actually. The more structured the code is, the more standard it becomes, and the more people will be doing the same thing. And what you're talking about, which is very personal, most of the time it's spaghetti plates. And spaghetti plates, that's very personal for sure. But the thing is that what's very personal as well is oftentimes to choose to make half-done job because you want to go fast. So you don't respect the correct, and I'm putting air quotes here, correct structures because you want to go fast and prototype, and which that's fine. You don't have to make the entire super solid structure every time you prototype something or anything. So Myriad Colors did Starters because it was the best you found, and you were looking through tutorials for idle game tutorials. It's always bullying you right now. No, that's just something that, I mean, there's a reason why people spend years learning about programming. Like that's just it. Thanks. You continue watching the videos? Well, yeah, the thing I hate the most with Stardust is that, like, the video quality of those are terrible. Like, I legit 100% guys. I did record a few videos first, which I discarded, but Stardust series is just like me using the camera of my laptop and the microphone I used for gaming. And I recorded something with absolutely zero video creation knowledge. That's it. Like, that was very, very random. I said the code is spaghetti. The concept of spaghetti code is very broad. The audio in those videos are bad? Yes. Yes, it is. I even had sometimes like real weird problem. You had to, yes, I had no way to make the sound higher than what it was. Like, that was the highest of the highest of the highest. So yeah, that was insane. That's why I'm super glad I bought this microphone. And actually, now that I think about it, I'm pretty close from paying back the price of the microphone with the money generated with the channel. So that's a big cool thing. But that's just the microphone. Like, I'm very far from paying back the arm to hold the microphone, which I'm not using anymore because my desk right now is too small for it. Okay, so I think we have structure in this sense. The content is good. Well, it's fine, but... Well, that's the thing. I think that's what people dislike the most with the more recent series, is that Stardust is very spaghetti-ish in a lot of sense. It follows zero game design documents, etc., etc. But because of that, it makes me go very, very slowly. Nice method I did. Isn't that cool? Right? So, what we have? Okay. I think that's it. Like, I wouldn't. That's probably. Nah, I think that's fine. Spaghetti Man. And not gonna lie, I once had a concept of a game about spaghetti coding. I mean, basically, how to put that in this? It would be kind of an overcooked game, but with coding and making games. So instead of making recipes, you make games. And you know how you can like you process ingredients and the character is cutting the ingredients. You could like choose how long you want to do that. Basically, you would have like 3 different levels of processing the code, and if you choose to do it only one level out of the 3, it will work, but it will create spaghetti code, and then the more spaghettis you have in your thing, the more likely it is to break and to force debug, etc., etc. No, that's the spaghetti game is something I was thinking about like 6 months ago. Like, it's not really on the plate, right? Spaghetti is not on the plate. Spaghetti flying monster. Yes, that reminds me some South Park things. Yes, the unmute button is really easy to miss when I click on it. I think I should. Okay. I have a glass to fill, so I will be right back. And that's pretty much it. Let's see. It's kind of stealthy, but yeah. If you people don't see it like this, I don't know. I mean, that's the best I can do. Okay, so where did he go? Really, it's in the middle of the screen. Come on. I actually missed the hood. Did he say something before leaving? Yes, I did. Okay, so I basically said that I have to fill this glass. Because right now my throat is killing me. Somehow. So anyway. What was I doing? I'm so bored. Like, oh. How to do that? We have Avery Bain or... Okay. When fire was an hour and we did nothing. I beg to differ. Like, seriously? Boss is angry today. He did do things. So, game data. So am I as well. But this... Okay, so this can be typed. Very cool. But this has to change very much. Oh god. Of course it's not supported. Why would it be supported? What about this? Ugh. Honestly, this thing you have designed here is creating a lot of problems. Oh, and by the way, I tried to add an external editor for C# programming, but I couldn't find it. So I kind of no. Oh, is that it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, that's gonna be so annoying to find. Can I go there? Oh, come on. Well, anyway, I won't do that anyway. But right now, I'm... Maybe I will switch to C# one of these days. Maybe. Cause right now I'm kind of blocked. And yeah, hi. Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, I won't even try. Can't read Cyrillic. So how are you doing? What are you up to these days? Why C#? Two things. Number one, it is a compiled language, which makes it easier to maintain on a large scale. That's the first thing. The second thing is that it is handling strong typed thing better than gdscript. How are you, my best dev? Yeah, I'm kind of the limbo right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna have 1 month of bronchitis or if I'm gonna just have 1 week of mildly coughing. So I don't know yet. Okay, so Alfium, if you're here, I will, at the moment, discard your mining container thing, because I don't know how to do that. I mean, I can, I know how to do that, but it's just like I'm running into the limitations of gdscript, sort of. And that bugs me very much. Like, very, very much. Toth, yes and no. This is something I experience since I'm very young, so several times a year. I don't think I've spent 1 year since I'm 10 without having a bronchitis, so at this point I don't really care much. And it's the third this year. This year was a heavy one. So this process successful load. Yes, of all quantity, game, and here I need the other container. So data dot OS. Is that OS? No. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah. Right now. I don't know. I mean, it is because okay. I want to show you exactly what's going on. So that's something. Let's move on to yes. Let's go here. So I'm gonna no. Do I have a draw somewhere? Execute draw. I'm gonna create a new one. Okay. The problem is having many containers or many panel with lanes in general. Containers. No. It's having all containers. Because I just want this to be kind of visual. So we have a dictionary. Like this. And this dictionary, it has a key, which is an OR vein. And it has a value, which is a dictionary. And that's pretty much the problem. So kind of have like, is there a way to keep this? No, why not? So we have a dictionary of OR and integer. And this thing that has to go like can I wait, what's happening? Okay. Anyway, we have like 3 of those. And they actually multiply infinitely. And then we have this guy who has like those inside of it. But the problem, if there's a problem, is that Godot doesn't allow to type those things. So you can't type a dictionary with a dictionary inside of it. I mean, you can create the structure, but you can't type it. So you really have to go blind, in a sense, because you can't type. And when you can't type, you can't check if what you're doing is good or not. You can't even have an array in a dictionary. This doesn't work. I mean, it does work, but the typing doesn't work. So this is kind of frustrating me right now. That's pretty much it. Mm-hmm. Well, how? Okay, it is in the mines. I'll have to plots on this. Okay, so we have 0 of everything. Oh, maybe it's mining actually. It could be mining. I don't know. What if we don't use all containers in panel, so all will automatically go in the dictionary? It will be fine as well. Yes, it is. That's what I just did. I just remove. Right now, I'm bypassing the things of all stacking in there and forcing it to collect. They just go straight up in the inventory. But maybe this button is not correctly connected. I don't know. Do we go there? I mean, we should. Oh, wait a second. We do have this. But what's next? Maybe I can go in the loot to see that. Okay, so we're looting. We just need the progress. Okay, so that's cool. So we don't need collect method. Well, I mean, we can use it, but it's, I mean, the thing is that it can be implemented. That's not the problem. The problem is that it has to be not typed. And maybe I will be able to do that. I mean, maybe I will want to do that in the future if we have to do it. But right now, that's not really something I want to do. So we can use that as a quick fix, quick patch, and then we'll see what's better. Because honestly, a dictionary in a dictionary, or even just an array in a dictionary, isn't something that is super unusual, super weird. Like, it can happen very easily, I think. So I don't think it's a bad design in the first place. I don't think so. Or maybe. Okay, I'm having weird ideas right now. I'm having ideas in the line of going SQL style, of having 2 dictionaries, and then having 1 dictionary in between to make the connection between the 2. So can we make so all's being collected automatically as well? Have some sort of indicators, what or did we just extract? This should be easy, because it's just a matter of creating a signal. So here right there you have in front of you the method that creates loot. And as you can see, we have the... Wait a second. Yeah, anyway, we should be able to get the signal. Because right there we have the 2 methods. And what is a loot exactly? Oh, okay, the loot has the or and the value. Odd? Odd. Oh, okay. Okay. That's a terrible name I used here. Okay, so mining progressed. we have a lot of things to update here, but that's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Makes a container with all will indicate what all we got for 2 seconds, and after it will be freed. Okay, maybe. Yeah, that could work. Wait, what? Like, is that a thing? Can we do that? I don't know if we can. That's not really. Yeah, like this. Oh, come on, really? Ah. Why is that not working? Oh, is it because of the space? Yes. Okay. So we're good. So we have a lot of signals to change. What time is it, by the way? Oh, very early. Mining started. Okay, so maybe we don't need that progress requirement. Send the vein. Okay, we should be good. Yeah, you see, that's why this is where C# shines a lot, because right now I made a few changes, and C# would tell me here are the list of things you have to change in the entire code, which we don't have the luxury to do here. Okay. Started. Again. Alright, let's see what we can change in there. Alright. Connect button is useless. Mining progress. Mining started maybe. So first we will check that we're working at the correct OV bin. Okay, so mining started. Let's get the progress bar. So progress bar. Visualize nodes. Okay, so when the mining started, progress bar max volume of any duration. The thing is that I have the feeling we did that already. So I thought we had twins and stuff. Wait a second. Yeah, I don't know then. I thought we made twins in another live stream for this progress bar explicitly. So I don't know. Oh, again, it was muted. That's fun. That's becoming kind of annoying, but yeah, whatever. I'll probably use the microphone directly because it's easier to see. But I did miss that in the past, so it's not. No, you hear me right now. You should. Or if you don't, that's OBS bugging, but I guess not. Hmm. So I don't really know why. Okay, so we are waiting for the breakpoint. But yeah, the thing is that it doesn't seem to update here in real time. And same thing here. Oh, maybe because it only updates when there's ores collected. So what if if I emit the signals? Oh, wait a second. I think I know what's going wrong here. I have an ores mapper. There you go. Yes, there it works. Clap, clap, clap. So, not gonna lie, it's a very, very messy stream. Because it works, but the amount of absolute chaos that was brought in the code today is quite insane. Wow. So does the game break if we do that? I need to craft some swords. The house is even spinning. Oh wait, we don't have any of this. Yeah, oh, okay. care right now. So, okay, since I'm gonna say that. Oh, amazing! It exists. Wait. I'm doubting right now. That's right. And yeah, I don't know if I read that already, but the chaos is even spinning. Yeah, so the question is, do I merge this right now? Or do I wait a little bit and keep this on my side? Anyway, I will be trying to do this thing with trying to get Visual Studio. Alright, so do you have like .NET or anything? Or Visual Studio maybe? I don't remember where Visual Studio install things. If you finished for today, I don't know actually. Where's the... Oh, what's happening? You can add twins. Well, the thing is that maybe I was muted when I was talking about this, but I was pretty sure we did twins the last time, but I didn't find them in the code. It's in IDE. Oh my god. Dev. Don't help me. Okay, there's this one maybe. Let's add some more code. They are gone when you had a merge conflict? Okay. The good part is that if we ever need to find those, they are in a live... Anyway, so... I actually don't know if that's going to be enough. So, wait a second. I'm gonna try. Oh, there's something I didn't say. Maybe not. Oh, is C# thing gone? Okay, let's do that. Maybe I just need to import it then. So what if I create a script? And I can create it in C#. Oh, because I'm not using the right IDE. Is it just me, or this project takes a very long time to launch? Okay, that's good. So script, okay, we can create a C# script. So, editor. So, okay, so if I change this, it happens here. No color? Okay. What if I do that? I guess I don't care. Ugh, please leave me. So is that all I have to do? I don't even know what a partial class is. And am I not supposed to have like a solution tab on the side? Okay, so I think I'll just... Oh, okay, that's the new thing I'll be trying to do now. It's creating a... Let's try to create a simple game with C# to see how this is going. You and your very weird ideas. You really got me into doing this. By influencing my brain, talking about stuff. Okay, so... my brain is so twisted. Okay. Let's create a script. Oh, come on. You're gonna ask me to create a CS script every time? Really? Okay. The inspector may be out of date. Please build C# project. Interesting. No. No compiler, thank you. Okay. Oh wow, it lags a lot. I don't think we need system here. I forgot about the semicolon scene. Anyway, is this how you declare variable? No. Okay. Oh, probably need that. No, I don't want to sign it. Is that a thing? Oh, is that the type? I don't remember. It's not var. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we have in there. Nothing. Just a question of, just show me how it's written. Okay, private. So here I probably just type the type of button. Let's see. Ah! Oh, this auto-completion. That's a no. Why? Why? I know. Alright? It's a semicolon. Colon. Anyway. So, I think it's private. Do I have an example? Oh, it's public? No way. This is public. I'm gonna cry. How this can be public? Oh yeah, probably because I'm not gonna question this. So do I have to get node? We don't like those uppercase namings. Well, not gonna lie. When I studied Godot, I hated the lowercase naming. Okay, so that's correct. And the type is bottom. So we're gonna grab. Sorry, bringing the chat back. Ah. Because the thing is that in C Sharp, as far as I remember, it's been a very long time. I think it's 2 or 3 years, maybe 4. But let's say 3. Well, actually, oh wait. Oh wait. Oh, yeah, that's very far back. So, variables are lowercase, and methods are uppercase. But I just don't understand that this button here is not colored. It's kinda sad. Ah, yeah, this the thing at the end of the line. I'm gonna forget that. Okay, so that's ready. Get that. Now, 8 void. So we're gonna initialize a click variable, and we're gonna try to upgrade this, update this. So now that's going to be update writing void update info. It's good. It's good. Is that no? Maybe it doesn't text. I don't know. Can I say something like this? Is that a thing? I just need to connect the buttons, I mean the signals. So am I missing a library or something? Maybe that's not how you connect signals. Okay. I'll be right. Wait, what did I miss while you're coding C Sharp? I basically semi-completed what we were working on, the mining thing in Blacksmith, and I was heavily frustrated by gdscript for a second. And because with Alphion we've been talking about C Sharp on Godot, I actually wanted to try that, and that's what I'm doing right now. But at the moment, I'll be back in a few seconds. And the few seconds are done. Okay. C# is really cool, to be fair. I barely remember. And there are a lot of things I don't know how to do. Godot C#, connect C. Let's see if there's a specific way to do that. Okay, so here there's an uppercase. Oh, we do it this way? That I don't like. That I dislike very much. For some reasons, I liked Godot signals, and it was easier to understand than C# events. Okay, so let's try this. So we're looking for pressed, but here what I'm kind of worried is that we have no evocation. So to do this way? Now the deck label. Non button pressed actually. And here we open the table. So is that it? Not what I was looking for. So what if we say build? What does it do? Fail to build a project. Ugh. Ah, that's the signal, right? Inconsistent line ending. Okay, can we build now? The type on namespace label cannot be found. Well, are you gonna start every time I— wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Label does not have text, so that I guess needs to be a capital letter as well. Where's here? Okay, so the text thing I did doesn't work. Having to use Visual Studio to code is just miserable. You don't have to. You can do it in Godot, or you can use Visual Studio Code. But I prefer using Visual Studio if I'm doing that. So let's see. C# interpolated string format. Is that how it is named? Looks like it. Oh, it's actually easier than I thought. Wait. I think that's good. Can try this. But we have something... Oh yes, that's the label here. This is not the case. Okay. Let's build. VS Code is lightweighted, yes, but it's lacking the C# compiling stuff, as far as I know. Okay, what if I run this scene? Yes! We have absolutely not what I want. Why is that rock? I'm not crazy, right? Oh, is it because I need to have a dollar in front of it? What does this hammer do? Hammer? Oh, hammer. It builds, it compiles, I guess. Ah, there we go. Like, okay, so this works. That's a start. Except there's one thing I don't understand. Why these types are not recognized. This I don't understand. Don't you compile from VS gdscript? I don't know. All I know is that Visual Studio does a lot of things that VS Code doesn't do, and for Unity, using Visual Studio was very, very easier. Try to add Godot. I was looking for it in the extensions. Attach? Okay, so you're saying a bunch of things that I don't understand because I'm missing knowledge here. Near green arrow. Okay, attach. Wait, what did I click? And you want me to attach Godot? Like, what does that do? I have no idea what it does. Yikes. So I don't know what this does, right? Is there a chance for a good thing? This should let you run Godot from VS on FI. Run Godot? What do you mean by running Godot? Yes, right now something's running, but I have no idea what it is. Like compile and run scenes? Isn't it already doing that? Maintain? Don't know how this works. Well, it looks like none of us know here. Click on the red square while you want to stop it. Solution Explorer. Yes, that's a thing. Because right now we have one script, but... this one I didn't catch. .NET Desktop Development? I think that's what you have by default. You remember it from Terraria modding? But maybe we don't need to go that far with Godot. Oh, so maybe... Maybe I actually need to open the solution from Godot. Let's see. How do I, like... project solution. If I go in Documents, Godot, C# test, and I open this. Okay, I think that makes slightly more sense. Scenes, clicker. The line ending in the following file are consistent, able to normalize line ending. What is not consistent? You're trolling me. Yes. What's going on? The thing is that we have access to the solution. That's cool. So what if we do something like we have this two by default, and we update label. Oh well, we have the types now. Okay, what's wrong? Potential fixtures to issues. Introduce parameters. Inline. What? What the hell? I don't know. It's like it's trying to fix my code while there's no problem. Code refactoring provider has been disabled. That's probably a good thing. Yes. Goodbye. Yeah. It's definitely a wide thing to run this. So anyway, we should have like... Okay, we have the solution in there. But then, the question is, if I create something different, like let's say... let's say like create a folder, sources, data. Oh wait, why does this open a new? That's kind of wide, let's be honest. There are so many weird things. Because right there, if we are opening the entire solution, that's fine. But if we open the file like this, we don't have access to the typing anymore. Yes, typing's gone. So, I don't know. Oh, and how do we do exports? We use export as a tag like this. Okay, so that's easy. Signal keyword. Good. Oh, it's stretching. Okay, let's try creating something. So, can we create that app before that? So export private. Actually public int. Equals 0. Oh, what now? No, that's gonna be fine. Okay, so that's going to be our data. So now, should be able to create a game scene. No, why? Why do you keep opening this out of my solution? Is there a way to open Visual Studio and say this is my default solution? What am I doing? I don't remember how you do a singleton in C#. That's kind of sad. Yeah, I want the simple one, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I forgot static. That's kind of sad. Okay, let's see. We'll create that instance. Okay, so here we have a private game. So that's the constructor, is it? I'm a bit confused here. And then we have a public. Let's basically have this game instance. What is that? Get set. Get. We get if the instance is no. We create a new one. That makes sense. And we return instance. That makes sense, sort of, but yeah, it's a little bit. I just don't know what this private game is. Is that the constructor? And then I think you call it by. Anyway. This. So we have data. Okay, so we have data. And maybe right there, since this is the constructor. Oh, so that's new data. It's weirdly organized, but what do you want? And the thing is that data's public. Yep, kinda is. I don't know, maybe we should be able to catch this now. So, clicker. The game instance data clicks. Is equal to, and this will allow us to get those right there, like game instance data clicks. Get rid of clicks altogether. Should be good. Be good. Let's see. Back to Godot. Rebuild. Okay, so now the clicker. Well, I'm actually curious, what happens if I run this like this? Oh, it actually works. Okay. This is quite a huge thing. Because this game singleton that I create doesn't have to be loaded on a node. That's... wow, okay. That's a big plus of C# here. I'm quite surprised. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. So maybe in the end I will appreciate C# a little bit more. I don't know, because this is virtually useless now. So maybe when we open the editor, those exec flags can allow to set the solution? I don't know. So I'm not gonna say that. Okay. I'm not gonna use that. Yeah, it's actually okay. I think having use of both editors can be interesting. The thing is that data here, this doesn't exist, right? Why is it late? It's not the same as here. Data from disk. Okay, so Is that the end of the stream? That's the question. The answer could be yes. I think we are... I have a lot to think and to process in there. And anyway, we are hitting the 3 hours. You're the only one who can answer? It depends. The thing is that if there's... if there are people to entertain, I can stay longer, right? I don't mind. But if like we don't have anything specific to do, I don't know. We could be trying to explore this thing a little bit more. Reload from this. Okay, so that's kinda weird there. That Godot is confused by things being edited on. Nothing. Have you pushed blacksmith? Yes, it's just not merged. So that's something I can do real quick. Oh wait, no, that's right. That's not the same project. Do you want me to rebase your branch? Rebasing, which means, of course, just adding my edits. So if you want to do it, you just drag and drop your branch on main and choose rebase, right? That's whenever you want to pick the... I mean... Yeah. If you don't have any modification on your side, it's safe. Yes, because until now, I've been rebasing your branch every time I added something. So, yeah, the thing is that it's better. Okay, so if for any reason, because the danger here, the danger is that you have modifications which are conflicting with what I'm rebasing on your branch. If that ever happens, what you do is create a branch while you have all your modifications here. And this will allow you to put your modifications on that branch and then make a merge conflict. Alright, so yeah, anyway. I think my throat is saying enough talking for today. So that will be the end. And I will see you guys later. I don't know when. I actually don't know. But anyway. You have a nice evening, or whatever time is it for you. And thank you for being here. I actually always like chatting and stuff, and there was quite some activity today. That was, yeah, quite interesting. So I will slowly disappear and end the stream as soon as I decided to do so. Just, I don't know. Sometimes I wait, sometimes I don't.